The death of Jamaica will come by the hands of the dense and fools in our country. You mean to tell me, say, I cannot see a valid point and try to make it without a bunch of dunce idiots trying to attack me? And even if you don't agree with my take, move on. Also, people, here's a brilliant idea. You can block me. Did you know that? If you're scrolling along on your For You page and you see my face pop up and you don't like what I'm trying to say to you, block me. Please do. Save yourself the heartache and the headache. Save yourself from being a typing board warrior, a TikTok warrior, a comment section warrior. Block me. When I defend these people tooth and nail, what the point you're trying to make? I said what I said about whoever me say it about is not going to change. But yeah, these are just my thoughts. Like, comment and share. Or block me if you don't like my content. Think about that.